In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert symbol in Excel. This is a simple feature, but it is very useful when you need to add special characters that are not easy to type from the keyboard. Excel gives you a built-in symbol tool, and once you know where to find it, the process is quick and easy to repeat whenever you need it. To begin, open your worksheet and go to the cell where you want the symbol to appear. Double-click that cell to enter edit mode. This is important because it lets you place the symbol directly inside the cell content, exactly where you want it. If the cell already contains text or numbers, you can position the cursor in the correct spot before adding the symbol. Taking a moment to do this helps make sure the symbol is inserted in the right place. Next, move to the top of the Excel window and click the Insert tab on the ribbon. The ribbon contains different tools for adding content to your spreadsheet, and the symbol command is located here. Once you are on the Insert tab, look over to the far right side of the ribbon. In the Symbols group, click Symbol. This opens the symbol window where you can browse through many different characters and special symbols. When the symbol window appears, click on the symbol you want to use. You may need to scroll or look through the list carefully, depending on the symbol you need. After selecting the correct one, click the Insert button. Excel will place that symbol into the cell at the cursor location you selected earlier. If you want to add more than one symbol, you can continue selecting symbols and clicking Insert again while the window stays open. Once you are finished inserting symbols, click Close to exit the symbol window. At that point, your symbol will remain in the cell, and you can continue working in the worksheet as normal. One helpful tip is to make sure you are editing the correct cell before opening the symbol window, since that determines where the symbol will go. This can save time and prevent small formatting mistakes. That covers everything you need to know.